Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Thursday morning, February 20th. We're looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and NQ. So the bulls have done a lot of good things recently. Not with any big fanfare, though. No range, no volume. As you can see, I left in the previous all-time high because that's our balance high in both the monthly and the weekly in ES. And so far, all we did was slightly stretch it, right? We want more. We want them to break away from it, go through it, and don't look back. Whether they do that or not remains to be seen. Remember, SPY has made all-time highs and gotten some distance. And Triple Q has made all-time highs and gotten some distance. However, look at NQ. NQ is still 150 points away from their all-time high from yesterday's high. They're 250 points from it right now where we're trading. So we know that higher prices is absolutely choking off volume. We know that. So the question is, are we going to get some money sitting on the sidelines that comes in to finally push this through? Or do we fail up at these balance highs and roll over and test the balance lows? Now, if we do that, that's a decent pullback because you're talking monthly and weekly now. We're not talking daily. Dailies are up right now. But if you were to roll over to the bottom of the balance on the monthly and weeklies, it would be a decent pullback. So, again, it's going to be important for the bulls to continue. Now, yesterday's low will be something very vigorously defended because if you take that out, the daily comes right back into balance. That's the first step the bears need to do if they plan to have this market roll over. Can't roll over until you take out a daily low. So that would be their first step. Right now it's 75 minutes to go. We're looking to open in balance, in value. You have jobless claims out, I believe, at 8:30. Tomorrow is an expiration. Again, the market doesn't care about any of this crap. The market does what it wants to do. Plain and simple. Don't let anybody tell you any differently, right? So you might need patience this morning if we open in balance in value. Right now, the overnight low is in a very visual area. Look at that. It's right against value low and the afternoon pullback. Now, again, that might change because we still have 75 minutes to go. But if it wasn't to change, well, then that's a decent risk-reward long against that the first time. Now, NQ is quite different. They're way below their pullback on the overnight and way below value low. However, it's within shouting distance of yesterday's low, which would probably be defended the first time. But remember, if you do buy that, you would be buying it with at least overlapping to lower value. Again, if we get the overnight lows and then push up, the overnight highs are a decent short, and you could use value high as you're out in ES, and in NQ you could use basically settlement from yesterday's you're out if you were to short that. Again, this is something we speak about starting at 9:15 every morning. I'm on the mic from 9:15 to 4 p.m. every day while live streaming this profile and breaking down and giving you basically a live webinar play-by-play on what the market is attempting to do. And then, again, I'll just show you the daily chart. We finally, basically, attempting to break out of balance on the daily. Yesterday's volume, again, top 10 lightest, top 10 smallest range. So, again, I would think there's still a good amount of long-term money sitting on the sidelines, waiting for some sort of pullback. If we get it, it might lessen the amount of pullback we get. If we don't get the pullback, then the question becomes, are they going to finally have to get involved up at these levels? Thank you so much for liking and subscribing to this channel. Good luck trading today, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.